If you want air purifier level filtration in your stick vacuum, let me introduce you to the LEVOIT LVAC-300. That's specifically designed for households with pets. And in this video, I'm going to show you all of the details and put it to the test. Well, let's get to it. Now I want to go through all the elements real quick. Obviously, you have your main base. The battery is on the back. You can remove the battery. So if you want more or if you need to replace it, it's very easy to remove. And it charges right on the side right here. And then it has very simple controls. You have eco, mid, and turbo, and then just power on and off. And the dustbin will obviously pop open, so it's very easy to clean everything out of it. That's always a concerning moment though, because you really want to get it right over that trash can. And this is very easy to take apart and then see all of the elements. And this has 5-stage filtration. You have a kind of polypropylene filter, a foam filter, you have a stainless steel filter, and then it has a vortex technology that's really designed to pull all the dust in and not let it out. And then finally, up in the top, you actually have your HEPA filter as well. So there's a lot going on here, and all of these filters are washable. You just need to make sure you air dry them completely before you put it back together. So really nice and clean there. Then it has some accessories. The first is that this actually has a mini motorized brush. I love these for upholstery, and as long as you only use them as on upholstery, they work beautifully. It actually has a little bit of a lint roller element that you can move as it works, and it's very easy to take out the roller and clean this as needed. And you can see that it has kind of fabricy to rubbery to brush sections, really nice and clean. This is something that I've only seen in luxury vacuums, so I love seeing this element. And then it has a great focus nozzle that you can also clip the brush right onto for really nice cleaning in corners. This is a great piece. And then finally, you have your main brush head that I haven't even taken the top sticker off of. This is so nice. It has the green laser light so you can see all of that hair, dust, and dander, so you know you get it all. It does lock upright and it can pop down, and so it can go very flat, has great wiggle. And then of course the base comes apart, but before I take it apart, I'll just show you that really large roller this has. And I really like the design of these LEVOIT rollers. They're just brilliantly put together in a way where it really doesn't collect in the same way that a lot of rollers do, as it has these kind of fabric to rubbery sections between the bristly brush sections to prevent the hair from really sticking to them, but still pulling it all up. And even then, it probably will still collect stuff over time. So like you can see, it is very easy to take out as well. And then you have your posts, and when you put it together, you have a really nice vacuum. Now, this can just sit upright wherever you want, and then you have the plug, and you can plug it right in right here on the battery, and that's always where you're going to plug it. But if for any reason you're concerned this may fall over, maybe you have kids, maybe your pets might roughhouse near it, it does have an element you can attach to a wall. It does come with the hardware, and this will just hook it right on the back in place, so it's not going to fall over ever. I think it's pretty darn sturdy. It doesn't seem like it's going to fall over. I am trying, but I'm not, of course, slamming too hard. I could see a dog taking this over, no problem. So maybe this will come in handy in your household, but not a requirement. And one key thing I want to talk to is that runtime. Inside the LVAC-300's manual, it does show where it promises 60 minutes, and that's only on eco mode with the crevice tool. So if you're using it in mid mode with the vacuum head or the mini motorized brush, you only have 25 minutes, but you do have 40 minutes in eco mode. So just keep that in mind. If you're using this as a stand-up stick vacuum, it will be less than with a crevice tool. And all of these vacuums are promising the longest runtime on the simplest use. And I do think setting expectations from the start is really key. These are actually great numbers to see. So let's put it to the test. Now for my first test, I am going to vacuum it straight across green tea and hemp seeds on hardwood floor. And so these are kind of larger particles and smaller particles. I'm going to run it on medium. So we're just kind of in the mid-range normal run, just straight across. Let's see how it does. And it did a perfect job, pulled up everything, didn't spray anything across the floor. Very, very clean. One thing I may have called out incorrectly is that this is not a green light, it's just a white light, so it's not a laser light. Still nice. And another thing I did back this up on purpose for is to show that it did push a little bit ahead of it. That's very normal, especially with large particles. That's normally why you go back and forth. But this is exactly what I was hoping to get from it. Great suction without spraying everything everywhere. And now I want to test it on some low pile carpet, again in medium. Let's see how this goes. It's absolutely perfect, works so well. Let me get the whole carpet real quick. And that worked beautifully. On top of that, you can see just how much gunk it collected off my carpet. Yes, my carpet's dirty, but that's really, really impressive. I also like the screen on this one. When I turn it on, you can see that it gives me my percentage and which level I'm on with the LED screen. Now we just need to test this with some upholstery. Now for my couch, same mess, just not as much. And I'm gonna actually use the powered roller on this one to see how this goes. So I'll turn it on. And it definitely has excellent suction. What stands out to me is that there's a ton of dust particles in there now, which has got to be dander and other questionable stuff that was in my couch. So it did a really good job. I would say that this choice of a roller was just a little tough with those larger pieces I had, as they like to stick in the top part, but that's not really an issue. I mean, it is pulling them up. It just means I need to dump that too. Really, really nice. If you've been looking for a very impressive vacuum that truly is more like an air purifier meets vacuum in the way that it pulls everything out of your air and your furniture, this LEVOIT LVAC-300 is really impressive. And I think you're gonna love it just as much as I do.